Merry Christmas. We rejoin our intrepid adventurers back in Ocho Rios. But not to be in Ocho Rios, but to leave Ocho Rios. We're headed now to Port Antonio, which is where we're gonna be for the next few days. We're just grabbing a coffee, grabbing an iced coffee. It's hot out, as it always is. So in order to head off there, we first have to head to kind of the local bus station. We're gonna catch minibuses. Ideally, we can catch one single one all the way. Otherwise, it'll be 3, and we'll have to break it down into 3 steps. But if we're lucky, it'll just be 1. So let's get our coffees and let's go.
I am made to be free.
No, minibus. Minibus. Where are we going? You go in? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Give me the brown stone. Give me the brown stone.
Oh, this way here. That one right there. Yeah, okay. Ah, clearly over here. Port Antonio is just over here, yeah? This one right here.
No. Up there, there's no up there.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, Stacy, what's going on?
We're waiting.
Yeah, we don't know exactly when it's kind of going to be. Hopefully we can catch it direct to Port Antonio. There's one gentleman over here. His name is Old Man John, he calls himself. Was saying he kind of point us in the right direction when it goes. This is him right there. He's standing right there, arm out. Nice guy. I think he was estimating for me about 1,000 each, right? So like, okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
$8. It won't be too bad, I don't think.
Yeah.
Boys back here playing some dominoes. We're just hanging out. Let me give you a tour of the bus station. Here's Stacy. Hi.
There's some like
Food stalls on there. Some washrooms right there.
just to note, it's not as obvious as the route taxis. Like it's not written on the side of the minibus where they're going, so you do have to like ask around a little bit.
So yeah, it probably doesn't hurt as you walk into the area to try to just get some help. Be like, hey, Port Antonio, where's a minibus? And people will probably help you out. Anyways, back to waiting, but we have shade, we have wind, so we'll live. Okay, so we're on a bus now to Port Maria.
Yeah, it seems like they said we might have to wait a long time to get the direct one. So.
And the driver was saying, like, yeah, we certainly get out of here. Like, get in my bus, like, let's go. Okay, Stace, here she is. Port Maria, the minibus station.
Hey man, not a bit.
So we're just gonna wait right here, just hang out. From Ochi to here cost us each, it was $2.50. $2.50, which is like, seems like a good price. So yeah, we're just chilling, we're just hanging.
It's really pretty around here.
It is really pretty around here.
While we wait, I thought I would show you the beautiful ocean view that's just outside of the minibus area.
Okay, so far I just thought I'd share that the trip so far has been quite easy actually. It's been quite simple. Everybody from the Ochi bus station and then here is friendly and helpful. And they're making sure you know the way, right? Where are you going? This is the way to go. And it's been really nice. It's been really good. So far, so good. So a little update. Oh, sorry, I'm all unbuttoning and revealing. It looks like maybe a minibus from Port Maria isn't the most common, and instead it's a route taxi from
Like a regular route.
the Maria minibus station to Port Antonio, or Anato Bay, and then it'll be something from Hanato Bay to Port Antonio. We'll find out. I thought it was minibuses the whole way.
Yeah. But we have a nice little shelter and breeze.
And
so
shady,
it's
some Ritz.
Have your snacks.
Have your snacks. So we just got our second transportation, which is a route taxi. They dropped us here. We're in Hanato Bay, and they dropped us here at St. Mary's Parish Court on the, maybe it's the west side. And then he said that on the east side of the building, on the other side of the building, is the Buff Bay Port Antonio side. So we got to make our way over there. So we'll show you that. We just make our way here around the building. So we come over here to this side. Let's go. What do we got? Easy. We'll get talk to some of these boys up here. No problem. Port Antonio. Port Antonio?
Yeah, man.
Now, move! So the bus up here loading, guys. Port Antonio. That's the ready bus.
How much?
This 500 to Port Antonio. This is the ready bus.
Okay, for better or worse, it's 500 from Hanato Bay to Port Antonio. We are now in Port Antonio, our second last destination in Jamaica. So our total trip from Ochi to Porty, that's Ocho Rios to Port Antonio, it was coming up behind us, was 1,050. And I think that that's exactly right. So yeah, we're now in Port Antonio, and our accommodation is just a couple minutes walk away from the like sort of the Porty bus station. So get there and drop our bags and get ourselves acquainted with town.
So I just wanted to say, like, the drive was absolutely gorgeous. Especially this last bit that was, like, you had ocean views on one side, views of Blue Mountains on the other. The whole drive was very lush and jungly. It was just great. Like, as a cheap option for travel, it was really beautiful the whole time. So great way to see Jamaica.